Hey, check this out. You know what these plants are? These are mint leaves. Here's the crazy thing though. I never planted these. One day, all this mint just started growing in front of my house. And every year, more and more mint plants just keep popping up. I have so much free mint. So I thought, you know what? Maybe I should use it for some recipes. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make a super low calorie strawberry raspberry mint ice cream. It is delicious, it is super refreshing. It's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. So to make this ice cream, we're gonna start off with 1 cup of Fairlife fat-free milk. Then we're gonna add 1 pasteurized egg yolk, 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Then we're gonna add just a pinch of salt. Be very careful. I'd say if you're measuring maybe about 1/8 of a teaspoon, just a little bit, that's probably plenty right there, just a little bit. And 3 tablespoons of a 0-calorie sweetener. I've got a monk fruit erythritol blend. So I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons of this. Now we're gonna add about 90 grams of frozen strawberries. So I'm gonna measure that until we get right to about 90 grams. We're pretty close. All right, that's good. And lastly, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of this sugar-free raspberry flavored syrup. This I just happen to have, for mixing with coffees and other things, but I added it in with the strawberry as a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of tart. It's just a nice complement to the berry flavor. And that is it. Hold on, I almost forgot the mint leaves. That was the whole point of this recipe. Not adding all these, we're just gonna add a few mint leaves to taste. It'll just depend, because you gotta be careful. The mint can overpower it pretty quickly. So just experiment, add what you like. But that's about what I'm doing. Even that, you're really gonna notice the mint flavor. So you could do less if you don't want a strong mint flavor. You can do more if you want a ton of mint. I think too much is a little too overpowering though. So that's what we're gonna go with. Now we're gonna blend this up and put it in the Ninja Creami pint for 24 hours. All right, let's put the blades on. Give it a little swirl and a shake just to make sure that sweetener down at the bottom gets all mixed throughout. All right, and now let's blend it. Just make sure to let it blend for a little while, get nice and thick and fully blended. You want those leaves to be fully blended as well. All right, let me give it a little quick taste test. Oh, that's good. That's nice and refreshing. So, we got the Ninja Creami pint. Let's go ahead and pour this in. Oh, that's beautiful. I think this is ready to freeze. So, let's put the lid on, put this thing in the freezer overnight. Of course, I've got another one made up, so let's go ahead and put that one on the Ninja Creami and make us some strawberry raspberry mint ice cream. All right, we got our frozen strawberry raspberry mint ice cream ready to go. Let's go ahead and put this in the Ninja Creami. I've already run this under some warm water to help make sure it is not totally frozen all the way around the edges. So we are ready to blend. Put it on the machine, turn it on, and we're gonna hit light ice cream and let it do its first spin. All right, the first spin is done. Let's take a look at it. It's probably a little powdery. Oh, it's kind of stuck. There we go. Sometimes that happens. Just be gentle with it. Let's see how it looks. Yeah. One more spin ought to do it. Just gonna add like a little splash more milk. Let's put this thing back in. And this time, we're just gonna do a respin. Okay, I think we're ready. Let's take a look at this ice cream. Hopefully it is, yeah, that's nice. This one, it's not super crazy soft. It's like a perfect consistency, but it's got everything all around the edges. Sometimes it comes out like that, but look at that texture. That looks perfect to me. Let me see how this tastes. Oh, that is super refreshing. That mint and that raspberry, it's really light. It's like the strawberry and the raspberry, it's got this sort of freshness to it, almost like a sorbet, but the milk still makes it like an ice cream. It's a beautiful combination of things, and that mint adds this nice coolness to it. So this is the perfect dessert, like on a really hot summer day. Oh, I love this. It's nice and light and sweet. I think refreshing is the best way to describe it. I love this. It's so good. Now, push this all down to the center. There, at least now it looks all presentable. And for extra presentation purposes, you can add a few mint leaves to it if you really want. If you really want to go crazy, add some fat-free Ready Whip. That's very pretty. All right, so now let me tell you the macros for this ice cream. This entire container of ice cream is only 169 calories. That's it. 169 calories. Not counting the Ready Whip, I guess, but that's also very low. It's like 5 calories for every 2 tablespoons. And you can always, I will add more. I always do. Then we've got 15 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fat, 15 grams of protein. I mean, it's super light, super low calorie. You can eat the whole thing and not feel the least bit guilty. And I might just do that. Look at that. Strawberry, cream. Oh man. That whipped cream just takes it to a whole nother level. That is so good. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to try it, all right? I think you'll really enjoy this, especially on a nice sweltering day. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to The CogishShred for more recipes, as well as videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this nice, refreshing, minty ice cream.